Okay, so I'm here with Marco from Rossum Electro-Music at Superbooth, and we're going to look at the Morpheus, Control Forge, and Satellite.
Great, thank you. So what we've got here is a setup where we're using the Control Forge primarily as a step sequencer. It's doing basically a 16-step sequence that's both driving an analog oscillator that's just bringing in a straight sawtooth wave. And we're also using the trigger output of Control Forge. Each time through the sequence, it's generating a trigger that's going over into Morpheus's filter sequencer and moving it through to the next filter. At the same time, we're using Satellite as a modulation source, doing the conditional LFO that's going into one of the axes of Morpheus to give some dynamics to the Morpheus response. The first two times through the sequence, you'll notice on Morpheus, we're set to the null filter, which means no filtering is happening. That just gives you a chance to hear what the raw material that Morpheus is working with.
Yeah.
So let's go. You can actually see Control Forge stepping through its 8 segments there, and up at the top you can see a real-time indication of what the control voltage going out is. And then down in this part of the display you're actually seeing what the transition shape for each of those steps are.
You can see when it's almost an LFO between stages, or a ramp or a step.
Exactly. And actually you can see the same thing over here on Satellite. It's generally programmed to be an LFO here, so you can see it alternating back and forth between the upslope and the downslope. And that's controlling the second axis over in Morpheus. And then if you look over in Morpheus, you can actually see what's happening, the results of all of those LFOs, the instantaneous interpolation point in the 3D cube, and then the real-time graph of the frequency response as the modulations happen. So this just goes on actually and on and on and on, because I'll turn it down here. Morpheus comes with over 290 of those cubes. We probably stepped through about 20 of them here to give you a sense of what the flexibility is.
Well, those who want to check out more Morpheus, there's the video from us already on the channel.
Great video, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, watch this video.
But just that saw wave in, it's stunning. It really is. And the control that's offered there as well looks great.
Great, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.